Mama wakwaba midi N.Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell so for more news. Great Ampong na okase enjumtuni a Ghana ha no. Unya kokofu a, unya silver nso a, unya dead akoko. Na okase ne nsema okan na de say. Eye His Excellency N.Addo N.Addo or the best president a Ghana yenya. Na ebusuafo de ensem we etudwa e wo Power FM abra okọ omo entertainment show so omo bisa ne sa ensem na ebusuafo ye ka celebrities omo Ghana ha no omo bo a NPP amayoko no omo ba Power ye ntimi Great Ampong in film na enum e na okoye interview no bisa ne say Okaho ena His Excellency N.Addo N.Addo ebai na wenunu hu ana na Great Ampong I salute you me to chema obi oka no kware sen ena ehia no enye obi otigana ha ne efra Great Ampong kire say His Excellency N.Addo N.Addo say o man percentage a be man 70 to 80 because His Excellency why ade pa eniama why odnani ehu bebre akwan ukonyukrom ewotufu pra so a o chese bridge and His Excellency aye ode atu nsuso a car to me faso enya semketo akra afenso free SHS say eniama kese a ode nani to say His Excellency babaye no in fact why ni na integrate Ampong na okase na okasa no o say wama His Excellency N.Addo N.Addo 100% because NPP and N.Addo mo amembo no sebio ni na nye pepepe intimi pobi or criticize ya obeka de His Excellency N.Addo N.Addo aye na wa ka ne bone enye ni obetena TV so na omo kikem journalist for no de ne hanki gunu kon ho kikem oto ayampia His Excellency nya hwe en N.Addo nya hwe no mampede da John Dramani Mahame ano ye den en confirm ode ba na etu no so ode nkokọ bebio no one na Ghana for season so pe no me the NPP and this you me phobia because omu mienu na omu afeli na wo so man pay na da John Dramani mama beba party and NPP international kan bibia yenti ensema Great Ampong e de etu
campaigning man N.Addo mutuma N.Addo omutuma no so Gidia na won N.Addo mu 2016 say obetumi ama Ghana aba
chechewu mama Gidia sese
uji ni di so be president
ya obeye nneoma
akese oda so woji sai Gidia ni wo mu
de me de mani to so no so waye bi ma me ho
wonu hu say o support N.Addo
o da bi why not
say na obetumi rate N.Addo amamu e wo Ghana
me rate ni say on se kuro no da ni say we ya no ya beto aso okay we ya no ya beto aso this was me man say what the percentage so now me man percentage ya we ni pen
ebusafo ensem we na Great Ampong e de atuya
80% and that's 70%.
Aden.
Ozen.
Aden.
So we say the term nin kwa wie. Nti wie no na chese me de aka na ka ho preko.
Oh, when you saw N.Addo e be president why Ghana.
Oh yeah. What touch areas bebre. Even me kurom for the first time ya bridge. Car e faso de sado me bridge chufu braso. Mu se obi a for the first time.
Okay.
Satana train ne car nyina faso at the same time. Train ne ba jisa car no ejina se ko wisani na ho na se wada enipa be wo no nyasam ketewa but oba be ye ama car na me ba bi even se train kwano so ready at train so na me ba bi for the first time opa is ntwe for mon kongo he na attach so many places.
Okay.
At least the idea ni even free SHS na nkwambo na enkwala bi mobrofo bi anko mma me ntumi fo mu nko secondary school da so wie SS ne krampo na anya bibia onya military ana say your friend say police kura wuramu a at least ma me so ba jono say ne ba no anya bibi eno nkwambo sa red line na da wa enipa ntumi nko SS nwie a ye nyina ye ntumi an cross sa red line no nkwambo is enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then I regret say nka wunya ya nka usawo be ye na wanyi wantumi anye ntie how
in my life.
Yes.
Nipa de na obetumi aka se wa obetumi aye abraba ye ko ben nyame program ni pa bia life se ka system manual da ho nyame na program ti una mo na hwiase ba
sorry
da la no so e wo bi enti e sa na nyame a program ni pa se so yise wa dwene say utum ni kapede enye wo dia
okay
enti sa na me hu abrabo no enti me nim bibia e wo se me ya amanye
okay
yeah
wow Sally Ampong na we great Ampong
Jata because okobia na yapam no school fees no di jaye chairman na ende aban bi apa se de tie biara o ma me yehia ni o papa yisikani o papa yehia ni ko school na fa boa wankasa wo ho na unya political party be ka kire ye ma me no mo se monka se free education na enye papa because ye kotoa ba we have to be very careful. Chairman, bo video no na ubia menkasa kakra bi.
I said, boss, employ me. I don't have a certificate. And it's true, do I have a certificate?
You don't.
Bill, I don't have.
You have an SS certificate, a WASI certificate.
Debbie Ming Manco SS. Me JHS.
Oh, wow. You didn't go to secondary school?
No, I started at Prince of Peace Girls Secondary, but I couldn't finish Form 1.
Why?
Why? They be any paying school fees, and I was so embarrassed. I just felt like this is not me. Let me step out. So I stopped going to the school because I was owing from first term, second term, almost going to third term. I stopped.
What?
Because when the teacher enters the class, everybody will turn and look at me because they know I'm going home. You know that kind of feeling.
Yeah.
That time we were young, so we couldn't think of that it would be well. I just felt like it's a disgrace. I felt bad. I stopped.
So you stopped and went home to do what?
That was the question. When I went home, you know, when you're home, everybody will ask you, hey, are you not going to school?
Exactly.
What are you doing here? Why are you home? And all that. So I admitted myself in a school, College of Business Studies. And I just admitted.
You admitted yourself? With whose money?
No, said they should take me. I think that time, Nami Uncle Bima me $50 every once in a blue moon. Okay. And then that time I had a friend supporting me. Okay. The school fees was not much. It was those new secretarial schools.
So they were happy to
once
take
a while you see that it has come in the area, no? And so I just felt like, no, let me go and join this school. People are asking me, where are you? Let me go. So I enrolled in College of Business Studies. I was going to the school, Bella, knowing that I will not need that certificate for anything.
Oh, you knew?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
I knew it.
But you still went anyway?
Because people were just asking.
Binatone blenders makes cooking simple, easy, and tasty. Unbreakable jar. Get your Binatone blender and smoothie maker now.